Hey, so if you want to create professional presentations quickly using Google Slides templates in 2026, this guide will walk you through step by step so your slides look polished and consistent. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, you'll see the home page with options to start a blank presentation or choose from the template gallery. Click on Template Gallery at the top to browse available templates. You'll find categories like business, education, reports, or personal slides. Pick one that fits your purpose. You can customize it fully later. After selecting a template, Google Slides creates a copy for you to edit. This means the original stays safe, and you can freely change text, colors, or layouts without affecting the template itself. Start by replacing placeholder text. Click on text boxes to add your own titles, bullet points, or short paragraphs. Keep text concise. Too much text makes slides hard to read. Next, update images. Delete template images and insert your own photos, icons, or screenshots. Make sure visuals match your content and are properly aligned so slides stay neat and attractive. You can also use master slides to customize design elements. Go to View, Master to adjust fonts, colors, or layouts. Changes apply to all slides, saving time while keeping the presentation consistent. When adding new slides, choose layouts that match the template. This maintains consistent spacing, fonts, and colors throughout. Finally, review your slides in present mode. Check readability, alignment, and flow. Make minor adjustments where needed. Google Slides auto-saves your work in Drive, so you don't lose progress. And that's it. By picking the right template, editing content carefully, and keeping layouts consistent, you can create professional Google Slides presentations quickly. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.